When taking Ultimate Probiotic-10, make sure to follow the directions on the product package. Check the label directions to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, use a special measuring device to carefully measure the dose. Do not use a household spoon. If you are taking antibiotics, it's important to note that they may prevent probiotic products from working well. Make sure to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. If you are using this product for diarrhea due to antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days without consulting your doctor. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help immediately. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. Also, be sure to notify your doctor if you experience any signs of infection such as a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While serious allergic reactions to this product are rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction including rash, swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist for advice. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Before taking Ultimate Probiotic-10, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have health issues such as diarrhea, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal or urinary tract infections, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. Some forms of Ultimate Probiotic-10 may contain sugar and/or aspartame, so if you have diabetes or phenylketonuria, it's important to use caution and consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you're planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For pregnant women, it's recommended to use Ultimate Probiotic-10 only when clearly needed, and to discuss the potential risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, it's important to consult with your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown if it passes into breast milk. It's important to be aware that probiotics, like Ultimate Probiotic-10, may interact with certain medications, potentially affecting how those medications work or increasing the risk of serious side effects. This is not a complete list of all possible drug interactions, so it's crucial to keep a record of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics, including Ultimate Probiotic-10, include antibiotics and antifungals such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nistidine. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting or stopping any medications while taking Ultimate Probiotic-10. As always, it's important to follow your healthcare provider's recommendations and guidelines for the safest and most effective use of this probiotic. Remember, it's always best to seek professional medical advice before making any changes to your medication routine. If someone has taken too much Ultimate Probiotic-10 and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical help immediately. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Make sure to attend all of your scheduled medical and lab appointments. Additionally, some versions of Ultimate Probiotic-10 may include other components like fiber or inulin. If you have any inquiries regarding the ingredients in the specific brand you are using, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the usual time. Do not take 2 doses at once to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Ultimate Probiotic-10, it's important to check the product package for specific instructions. Some probiotics may need to be refrigerated, while others may not. If you have any questions about how to store this product, it's best to ask your pharmacist. And remember to keep all medications, including probiotics, away from children and pets. When it comes to discarding Ultimate Probiotic-10, make sure to do so properly. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about how to do this, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.